Hi, I'm Ronnie with Alina Group, and today we're installing an Allied 2.5-ton 15-seer heat pump. This is a split system, and thing I like about the Allied, it's quality you can rely on. It's quiet operation and it's very efficient. And we're going to start our installation and get back to you. Thank you. And this is Keo, our installer.
Hello.
And this is Junior here, flipping our coil for a horizontal installation up in the attic. And here we are doing our attic installation. And we're getting ready to fire this bad boy up. We just pressure tested it and we're getting ready to run it. And that concludes our Allied 2.5-ton 15-seer heat pump. I want to thank the guys at Tropic Supply and Heather from Tropic Corporate and Ray from St. Petersburg, store number T23. Those guys do a great job of customer service. They're amazing. And Donald and Greg, the counter people, I never got customer service like this before. It never happened with Goodman or Carrier. So I'm very pleased with you guys. And this Allied here, we put about 25 of them in this season and never had one callback. So it's a great piece of equipment. Plus it flies the Lennox flag. So we're proud of our work. Thank you.